Welcome back, YouTube world. Today I'm going to be installing some LED fascia panels from Custom Dynamics. As you know, I already caught the itch for Custom Dynamics plug and play products. It's a great product to have, especially back in the rear of the bike where you're hitting your brake and that magic strobe is going off and it's alerting everybody behind you. The more lighting you have, it's a safety issue for me, and it looks cool. Right now I have the bag blades on there. I've replaced the turn signals. And what I'm going to do after I do the fascia panel lights, I'm going to install the tri-bar light. I had a few people tell me, hey man, why don't you complete the ensemble in the back and put the tri-bar back there. And that way everything will be done. And that way I can move to the front forks maybe, or maybe a new headlight or something like that. I do like the headlight to come stock on the bike. Remember to smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and share it if you can. I really appreciate that. It'll help me get into this whole YouTube world. I'm not even part of the algorithm, I don't believe yet. So anything helps. And be sure to come back for the next video, alright? Let's get it.
you.